I'm going to test the Smith & Wesson Model 66 with the 38 specials I developed for my 686. 25 yards. 717, that's more than I thought it would. That's a perfect hit. One of the problems I don't like about this sight is that front sight overfills the back notch, if you know what I mean. So I can't get my side to side properly. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. You know, these are one-handed, and that one I think just got away from me. Now I'm gonna test the Smith & Wesson Model 15 with these cast loads 38 special. These sights are a little bit easier to use than some other ones. Hopefully it'll hit my chronograph here. 818. Yeah, this shoots these cast bullets wonderfully. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. I think that's the errant one. Just want to test the velocity with these cast bullets with the 686. 761.